Hey guys, so I've been promising to record this for a while. I have the alpha ball right here, and you're gonna need a wall or a door frame that kind of sticks out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place this nice and high right here on the top of my shoulder, and I'm gonna do a hip hinge here and place that into the wall. My neck is completely relaxed, and so is my arm of the shoulder with the ball in it. So first I'm going to compress and breathe. Just relaxing everything. Remember, the neck is relaxed. And then I'm going to start to move the arm. And I can move the arm in whatever way feels good for me. I'm going to try to get as much arm movement as I can. Even back behind the body is great. And then every once in a while I'm going to come in and take a deep breath and relax. I can also slide it a little bit up the neck and in deeper. I can roll up and down, or even a little bit of side to side in here. There you go. Give it a try.